Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make checklist in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, to make a checklist in Canva, first of all what you have to do, you have to log in into your Canva account, and after that you will be able to see this dashboard. So here what you have to do, you just have to write down checklist and you will be able to see the different templates here. So we're going to simply click on search for checklist and we will be checking out from the Canva templates only. Okay, so I can also add the filter here, Canva templates. So as you can see here that we have a lot of the different templates for the checklist. Some of them are actually free to use and some of them are actually the bar of pro version, which has this crown icon on it. Okay, so I think we're gonna go here and we're gonna look for a simplest one, or we can go here with this one. All right, so I think we can go here with this one, or maybe we can add this one. Okay, so this is included in pro version. So we're gonna scroll down. All right, so I think I'm gonna go here with this one. So let's select this and click on customize this template. And now you can see that we have our checklist template. Now you can simply edit this. So first of all, I'm gonna change the background color here. So we're gonna have the purple theme here. I'm gonna do the same thing on our marketing seminar. Perfect. And what else we can do, we can actually change the font style here. So actually need to select these, and I think this is looking fine. Also this one. Okay, so these are the different fonts. So I will need to select the budget. Okay, and I'm going to also hold on the shift button and click. Now let's just try to change the font style here. So I think I would go here with this interfaces, TT interfaces. I'm going to select this, and we can also make it look bold italic, but I think I'm gonna go here with let's say apricot maybe. Yeah, this is looking good. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do the same thing for the notes. So we're gonna go back here, we're gonna select. All right, so on the notes we're gonna use the same one, apricot. This is looking good, and we can also increase the font size here, but I think this is looking fine. And what else we can do, we can do the same thing with the marketing seminar. So let's just go here with this, but I don't think so. This is looking good. We're gonna keep the same one, okay, which is actually the Gotham. And perfect. I think this is looking fine. What else we can do here? We can actually change the color of these check boxes into the purple color. So I'm gonna select all of them, and basically we're gonna change the color here. So this is going to be the purple color. All right. So I think now this is looking good. And we can also add any element here as well. So I'm gonna write down a star or something. So let's just go here with the graphics. And what else we can do here, we're gonna probably go here with this one, and we would add this at the top border, and we're gonna add the color here, which is going to be the white color. This is looking pretty good, and we can actually do the same thing on the bottom side. Okay, to this point, and we're gonna change the color of it. So we're gonna have the purple color here. Let's just decrease the size of this and put it here. Perfect. This is looking great. And we can also change the color of this. So this is going to be the purple color, and we can also change the color of text. So this is going to be the purple text. I think now this is looking good. All right. We can also change the color of these headlines as well. So let's just go for here. We're gonna go here the purple color. Now I think we are actually matching our theme. So this is how you can create the checklist in Canva. And if you want to add these check boxes, unfortunately we don't have the feature in the Canva. So for that, what you can do, we can actually download this as the PDF file, and then in the PDF file you can actually add those checkpoints. Or if you want to add those checkpoints from here directly, or if you want to select them directly here, what you can do, you're gonna actually find here the check, and you will actually use them here directly. So I think we can go here with this one. Obviously we're gonna need to change the color here. We're gonna keep it like this. We're gonna zoom it in and we're gonna put it here. I think this is looking good, and we can change the color here maybe to the black or whatever we like here. I think the black would look fine here. So we can also do this thing. So I'm gonna zoom in. We're gonna do the same thing on the, let's say, this one. All right. So this is how we can create the checklist in Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.